मेंशन नहीं की गई, क्यों नहीं? डिस्क्रिप्शन you first have to give the answer now. How can a battery enter in that zone? Now we are entering, we are supposed to give all the details. Battery is entering, nobody is responsible. Who is responsible?
कौन है किस बोल रहा है?
Sorry, आवाज ऊंचा हो. Sorry.